Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to use Google Earth Flight Simulator for free in our web browser. So let's check it out. Google might change the steps for doing all this in the future. If the menu appears different when you're watching this, kindly let us know in the comments. We will provide the updated steps for this. We can now use the flight simulator on Google Earth website, at least the simple version of this, and this can help us to navigate through our favorite places all over the world. To do this, we have to open a compatible web browser. Right now I'm using Safari web browser for this. We can go to earth.google.com, then we will get a page like this. Here we have to go to Explore Earth. We will get like this. Here we can search for the place we want. I'll search for Marina Beach, iconic place in Chennai. It will go to that place, this one. Here we can adjust the size. We can also tilt it. We can do all this. And after that, we can go to tools. And here we will have the flight simulator option. Select that. And we will get like this. That's all. This is an experimental feature from Google Earth, so it may not be perfect but gives us an idea. We can use the arrow keys on our keyboard to increase or decrease the thrust. We can do that. We can also pitch up and down. We can roll left and right. We can do all that. It is kind of sensitive, so we have to do this slowly, and if somehow we fall down, it will crash and we can restart it again. These are the steps to use Google Earth Flight Simulator for free in our web browser. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.